My name is Chef Rudy Guerra. With the district, I'm the district chef, and I come up with menu ideas with Ashley, our dietitian. So what we have here is 3 recipes that I came up with, and we call them shelf stable, okay? During the summer, we have a book bus. We have 4 locations. It's gonna be on our website. You get to come up, not only get free books, but you'll get a breakfast and lunch. In the district, we're gonna give you one of these packages so you can take home. It's just something real simple. And again, this is a Chex mix that I came together, put it all together. What I do is just get some ingredients that I know will come together and it will be all different types. And again, it'll be eye-appealing. And all we're doing is mixing up some, here we got melted butter, okay? And we got a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, okay? Normally you put this on hamburgers, on steaks and stuff. It gives it a little smoky flavor. Just a tad, okay, not much. And all I'm gonna do is just mix that together. Then I'm gonna add some garlic powder and just a little bit of salt, okay? And I'm gonna show you. Okay, that's half a teaspoon, okay? Okay, half a teaspoon right there. Not too much salt. I got some rye chips, little pretzels. We got some wheat Chex, the cereal, and here we got corn and rice Chex, okay? And all I'm doing is putting it all together, bring it together, then we're just gonna bind it together, okay? We try to get your attention by giving you almost the same thing, okay? And something that's a little bit nutritious. I hope y'all enjoyed our new recipes that we're bringing to y'all. Y'all have a great summer. My name is Chef Rudy Guerra, and we are Southwest.